the color, right?
Black and orange.
Orange. Okay. This one? Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. This one?
Brown.
Zebra.
Brown.
Zebra. Okay, this one? Color?
Black and white.
Black and white. Okay, this one?
Lion.
Lion.
Wow.
Lion. Okay. This one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay, it's a tall, right? Okay. Okay, teacher show the video about animal, okay? Mariam see, okay? Wait. Wait. Kejap, ya. Teacher lah. Wait, okay?
Alright, team, we're transitioning to flat, but tap.
Okay. You see the video about animal, right? Okay, you see? Okay.
What sound does a dog make?
What's this? Dog. Okay, right, correct.
Cat make?
Meow. What's this? Cat. Okay, correct. Good girl.
Does a cow make?
What is this? Cow.
Sound does a bird?
Good. Okay.
What sound does a wolf make? What sound does a snake make? What sound does a frog make? What sound does a whale make?
You. The big wheel, okay?
What
Wow.
sound does an owl make?
But wool.
What sound does
Ow.
make?
Okay, again?
What sound does a chicken make?
Yes.
Sound does a bee make?
The bee. Is that a bee?
What
Okay.
sound does a
Okay.
monkey make?
Okay.
Nanti mama boleh mati
Okay.
What sound does a lion make? These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make. Now make the sound of your favorite animal in 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Finish. Okay. Mariam see the animal about there. Okay. Animal. Tiger? No. Cheetah. And then? Okay. Lion. Okay. Animal. Okay. What is this? Giraffe. What is this? What is this? Is this? Elephant. Which one? Cheetah. Correct. Satu je. Okay.
Ini ada dua, satu ada dua.
Okay. Teacher show the name of animal. Mariam can match the picture, okay? On the picture, okay? Correct?
Ya,
Okay. This one. Okay. Mariam, match the name. The name on the picture. Okay? Okay. Mariam can choose the name and put in the picture, right? Okay, this one. Okay. Giraffe. Okay. Put here. Okay. Correct lah. Okay. This one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. This giraffe. This one? Elephant.
T.
E. E. Okay. 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 This one? Tiger. Tiger. This one. This one. This one lah. This one is lion. Okay. This one? Lion. Okay. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Kat tangan. Okay, tak. Okay. This one? Tiger. This one? This one? This one? How to lion? This one? Giraffe. Let's go. Small? Big. No big. Small or big? Big. Correct. Small? Small? This one? Giraffe. Giraffe. Tall. Tall. Tinggi. Elephant? Big or small? Big. Big. Okay. 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 You can show the picture again. This one? Giraffe. This one? Tiger. Elephant? Lion. Okay. Lion? This one? Elephant? Okay. This one? Lion? Tiger. Sorry. Tiger there. Elephant? Okay. Tiger tu cerita. Okay. Mariam match the animal on the picture. Okay. Mariam take. This one. Yes. Okay. And giraffe. Zebra on no. Okay. Teacher show the flash right on Mariam. Is it finished? Okay. Activity is done. Next. This one? Good. Bad. Animal on flashcard. Okay. This one? Good. Bad. Okay. Okay. This one? No. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Yes. Okay. This one? Ladybug. This one? Grasshopper. Belalang. This one? Belalang. Is the what is this? What is the color, right? Green. Okay. Yellow. Okay. This one? Bee. Okay, bee. Yeah, okay, bee. This one? Rhinoceros. Badak sumbu. This one? Bee. Okay, this one? Lion. Okay. Show the teacher Okay. This one?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Chicken. Okay. This one?
Cow. Moo.
Cow. Moo.
Good lah.
Cow. Cow.
Gugu.
Too good. This one? Cow.
Cow. Moo.
Moo. Okay. This one?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. This one?
Rocky.
Rocky. Okay. This one?
Tiger. Roar.
Animal? At there? Animal? This one? This one? Okay. This one? Cheetah. Okay. Show the teacher about animal cheetah. On there. Which one? Cheetah. Which one cheetah? Okay. Okay, this one?
Snake.
Snake. Okay. This one? Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay. Donkey. 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 Okay. This one? Good. Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay. This one?
Good.
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 Good. Okay.
Chicken.
Which one good on there? This one? Okay. This one?
Slide.
Dragonfly. Okay, this one?
Bird.
Ladybug. Ladybug. Uh-oh. Are you sleepy? Ladybug. This one? Grasshopper. This one? Badasu. Badasu. This one?
Bee.
Bee. This one? Lion. Lion. Okay. This one? Okay. Chicken. Okay, this one chicken.
No.
This one chicken. There.
No.
Two?
No. Yes.
Yes. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. This one? Cow. Moo.
Camel.
Okay. This one? Yes.
Elephant.
Elephant. Again? What? This one? Tiger. This one? Cheetah. This one? Snake.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe. Show the animal giraffe. Figure animal giraffe. Giraffe. Yeah, and giraffe. Okay. This one? Donkey. This one? Good. Okay, finish. Okay. Come. The teacher show the puzzle. Mariam.
Macam mana?
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Sticker.
Mariam.
Maria.
Mariam match the picture. Okay, match on the picture. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, teacher show the picture animal. Mariam can match. Okay, on the puzzle, right? Okay, this one.
Elephant.
Elephant. This one.
Giraffe.
This one.
Giraffe.
This one.
Giraffe.
Correct. This one.
Lion.
This one.
Elephant.
Okay. Mariam can match the picture, okay, on the puzzle. Okay. Okay, correct? Okay, giraffe. No.
No.
Cow.
No.
Yes, cow. No, giraffe. Giraffe lah.
Salah.
Okay, this one.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Zebra.
Giraffe.
Zebra. This one.